So welcome back to the channel everyone, Triple M here, and today is August 10th, Saturday of course, and I'm announcing 3 lucky winners and not going to keep you guys too long, so let's go ahead and jump into it. So of course, if you guys are new to the channel, smash the subscribe button in the top right, hit the notification bell guys, and definitely when I drop new videos, hit the thumbs up, drop your comments and suggestions in the comments section. So the 3 items that we announced for giveaway was the Synology DS419 Slim. This is a 4-bay network attached storage guys, fits your 2.5-inch SSD drives, great for a file server, great for a Plex server, and just a nice little system to get you up and running. It also has the media streaming capability. So in order to win that NAS, what you needed to do is head over to the NAS review, drop a comment in the comment section saying I want to win this, and of course the winners will be chosen at random. So here we go, raffle for the first winners. So we're going to go over to the YouTube random picker for that video, and I already pasted the URL, and just to make sure everything's up to date, we're going to go ahead and refresh it, and we look like we have 97 unique comments. That means that if you comment multiple times, it does not improve your chances to win. So here we go guys, giveaway number 1. Let's go ahead and start the drawing. And look like we have a winner. The winner for this one is Gary Linan. Sorry if I mispronounced that. It said I would love to win this great prize. Fingers and toes are crossed for this prize. So Gary, whenever you see this video, hit me up on Facebook. I'm on Twitter. Shoot me an email. I'm also on Instagram. I need your shipping information. That way I can get this NAS over to you as soon as possible. So let's go ahead and jump over to the second drawing. So the second item for giveaway was the Tello drone from DJI. Now this is a nice little starter drone guys. It does have a lot of cool features including hand takeoff, hand landing, does do some cool aerial flips, and does record at 720p. Nice little starter drone if you guys are getting into RC. So in order to win this, what you needed to do is head over to my RC channel, Triple M RC, hit that subscribe button, and after you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, click on the Tello review and drop a comment in the comment section saying I want to win this drone. And we do have a lot of comments on this one. A lot of people wanted to win this drone. A lot of people are into RC, and like I said, if you guys didn't know or haven't subscribed to that RC channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button. So a lot of comments saying I want to win this drone, I want to win this drone. So let's go ahead and pick a winner. So do have the URL in here already, so I'm just going to go ahead and get the comments again just to make sure everything's up to date. And we're going to scroll down, and good luck to everyone. Let's go ahead and start the drawing. Alright, so the winner for this one is Pajonet. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. Pajonet said I want to win this drone. So whenever you see this video, of course, hit me up on Twitter, on Facebook. I'm on Instagram as well. Email me. I need your shipping information. That way I can get this drone over to you. Last but not least was the Razer Black Widow Elite board. This is a gaming keyboard. I had one of my subscribers comment in one of my videos saying, hey, can you give away a keyboard? And specifically this, and after the reviews, it looks like a very cool keyboard. So in order to win this, what you need to do is head over to my Instagram, Triple M3, TRIPLEM3. Follow me on Instagram, then find the photo of the actual keyboard that I posted on the giveaway announcement and drop a comment and tag a friend in that. So let's go ahead. We're going to head over to Instagram, and there's the photo right there. So we do have a lot of comments on here. Everyone's wanting to win this keyboard. This was very popular. My Instagram was going nuts. All right, so here's some of the comments. So good luck to everyone. Hopefully if you didn't win the NAS, this one will be your lucky break. So let's go ahead and we're going to head over to the Instagram random picker. And like I said, I have pasted the URL in here already, but of course I'm going to search it again just to make sure it refreshes, and we're going to pick a winner. So good luck to everyone. So the winner for this is Miss Danelle. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right again. It said I want to win this keyboard. Tagged a friend to check it out. So congrats to Miss Danielle. Same thing for this keyboard. I will give you an option. I can either purchase it and send it to you, or I can send you the funds so you can go ahead and purchase it yourself. So another big shout out to everyone that entered to win this. If you didn't win this time, of course I always have drawings on here. We'll have plenty more. Just make sure you subscribe, make sure your notification bell is hit guys. If your notification bell is not clicked or checked, you will not see all the video announcements as well as the community posts about giveaways, about upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching. Congratulations to all the winners, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.